I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Lexus RX 350 rear windshield wiper. First, ensure your vehicle is off and gather your new wiper blade. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the rear window until it locks into an upright position. This provides clear access and prevents the arm from snapping back unexpectedly, which could damage the glass. Having a soft cloth handy is also a good idea. Next, carefully examine the connection point where the blade meets the arm. You'll find a small release tab or button. Press this tab firmly while simultaneously sliding the old wiper blade down and off the wiper arm. It might require a little gentle force, but avoid bending the arm. Once detached, set the old blade aside for disposal. Now take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade upwards onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked into place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly attached and won't come loose during operation. Ensure it sits flush against the arm. Finally, carefully lower the wiper arm back down onto the rear windshield. Do not let it snap down, as this could damage the glass or the new blade. Once it's resting on the window, turn on your vehicle and activate the rear wiper with some washer fluid. Observe its operation to ensure it cleans effectively and smoothly across the entire surface.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.